Hello and welcome to the lesson. Okay, so you can see here that you have something said by A, something said by M, and then we need to see as to what A and M disagree over. Okay, so let's identify that first and then we'll go ahead and pick that from the options. Okay, so where do they disagree? That's what we're looking for, right? Okay, so A says that one can live a life of moderation by never deviating from the middle course. But then one loses the joy of spontaneity and misses the opportunities that come to those who are occasionally willing to take great chances or go too far. Okay, so he says that you can live a life of moderation by never deviating from the middle course. Let's look at what M says. M says that, but one who in the interest of moderation never risks going too far is actually failing to live a life of moderation. One must be moderate even in one's moderation. Whoa. So what M says is that, let's say you say these are the extremes, okay? And this is what you call maybe the middle path, okay? So A says that you can live a life of moderation. A says that you can live a life of moderation by never deviating from the middle course, so you walk along this line. And now what M says is that to be moderate, you don't want to be too strict only following one line. So what M says is that, hey, to be moderate, you also have to be moderate in your standing on this line, walking along this line. So sometimes you need to go this and sometimes you need to go there. Okay? So what you can see here is that A, in his or her estimation of what is moderate, says that you should walk along a certain path, the middle path. Okay? The middle course. But what M says is that if you're moderate, you may want to also go a little here and there, okay? So you can see they disagree over what they think moderation is, right? So both of them have a different interpretation of what moderation is. Let's go ahead and look at the options. Okay, so their definition of, or their understanding of what moderation is different, okay? And when you look at the options, quickly look at the options, okay? Whether what a life of moderation requires. Yes, that's exactly the answer. Because according to A, moderation requires staying on the middle course, whereas according to M, moderation requires a person to actually take a few risks every now and then. Okay? So we have the answer. It is option B.